To solve remainder concept using branching method, let's label this whole problem is about money collected. Let's go back to the information given. It says 3 out of 7 was spent on food. So branch out, label 3 out of 7, label food. Hence, what fraction of the money was the remainder? That will be 4 out of 7 remainder. And out of this 4 out of 7, 1 out of 12 of remainder was spent on chocolate. So from the remainder, branch out, label 1 out of 12, label chocolate. So what fraction of the remainder was left? That will be 11 out of 12, which was spent on drinks, and the amount left, which was $98. What else can we label? We can label the total amount of money that we found earlier in part A, $525. Now we can start to do our working. 1 out of 12 of the fraction is referring to part of the remainder. It is not part of the money. Hence, we need to know what fraction of the money was spent on chocolates. Now, since we are interested in finding the amount of money spent on drinks, let's focus our attention on 11 out of 12. This 11 out of 12 is not part of the whole amount of money. It is part of the remainder. Hence, we need to know what fraction of the money was spent on drinks as well as amounts of money left. So that will be 4 out of 7 multiplied by 11 out of 12. Key this into the calculator and we get 11 out of 21. Now, students, you need to know what does each unit represent. These 11 units refer to amount of money spent on drinks as well as the amount of money left. While 21 units is no longer remainder, but now we are referring to total units. Earlier in part A, we have found out what was the total amount of money collected. Hence, 21 units represent $525. Amount of money spent on drinks as well as amount of money left consists of 11 units. So 525 divided by 21 multiplied by 11, we get $275. Therefore, the amount of money spent on drinks, 275 minus 98, and we get $177. Our 2026 PSLE to O-level classes free trial lessons are now open for registration. To register, simply go to ymsedutech.com or drop us a message at 972-06748 or click on the link in bio. We'll see you in class, inshallah. Bye!